Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I was at Michael's and I had heard about this, but I hadn't really seen it yet, and I certainly hadn't tried it yet. They have a ready mixed pouring paint. And the instructions literally just say pour onto canvas or other hard substrates directly. No need to dilute with mediums. Dries within 24 hours. It also says low viscosity, easy flowing, and glossy finish once dry. So I was very intrigued and thought I should give these a go. Now these were 15 bucks per bottle. So I just got the 3 colors, and we know we can do a lot with 3 colors. I got phthalo blue, violet, and white. I did get them on sale. So, but still, as far as products go, I think these would be a little more expensive than the Floetrol mixture. So, enough talk, we're gonna give these a go. I'm gonna do a couple experiments with these, but today I'm gonna start with just the basic flip cup. So, it looks like the consistency is about what I normally have with my mixture, so that's a good sign. I used pretty equal parts of blue and purple there, and then a little bit less white. So let's go ahead and we'll flip it. And generally when I'm experimenting with a new product, I try it with a flip cup and then also a tree ring, because I want to see its ability to create cells or to not create cells, how well it holds together, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna let this sit here for just a minute so it can settle. We'll pull it off and then we'll see what we've got. All right, here we go. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm not seeing any cells, but it is pretty. Let's go ahead and tilt. Nope. Okay, it's got this beautiful wispiness to it. This may be a very good product for anyone who does not like cells, because so far I see 0 cells or really any indication that cells may occur. There are a couple little, I can see some air bubbles in there. Let's go ahead, we'll let this sit for a bit, see if anything else develops, and then we'll be back. All right, we're back. Nothing's moving. I see a couple air bubbles that are still very obviously in there, which generally doesn't happen with Floetrol. We're gonna try to torch those out. See? They did torch out easily. So let's go ahead. We'll do our close-up, and then I think also we'll come back when this is dry, because I'm curious. It says it dries glossy. I want to see how it dries in relation to how the Floetrol dries. So let's do a quick close-up. Here is the bottom right corner. Nice, like, wispy look. Definitely no like cell action. So like I said, for those who don't like cells, this is probably actually a great product. Kind of reminds me a little bit of how the, I think it's the GAC 800 kind of looks. But yeah, so we'll be back when it's dry. All right, so we're back. This is all dry. So definitely no cells or anything popped up. You can see it actually is quite glossy. So that factor of it is actually pretty awesome. I do like how this dries, but definitely no no cell action. And if I had these colors with Floetrol, I would have gotten a lot more activity. I think that using these colors for a tree ring will probably be absolutely perfect. So that's going to be the next video. For right now, we're going to go ahead and do a close-up on this. So starting the lower right hand corner, sorry. So you can see how glossy that is. It looks like it is still wet, more or less. I do like it. We got a lot of kind of like wispiness in here, which is a little hard to show on the video with the gloss, but you can see that the purple down there we go, with some of the blue and the white coming through. I actually really think it's pretty. So there you go. All right, so that was my first experiment with the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint. Stay tuned for the next one. Let me know if you guys have tried this stuff. I'd love to know what your feedback is. But this is my first trial, and as a review, I'm not super satisfied with it yet, but we're gonna try it out with another technique and see how that goes. So I will see you guys next time.